Hello everybody, this is Star17. I will be showing you how to take apart an Xbox 360 so you can mod it. First, take off the faceplate and the hard drive. Put it somewhere. Then, pop this off. There will be 6 clips. Pop all 6 and that comes off. Turn around. Pop the 6 off of these. Don't tear them off like I did to the one. You know what? Just keep on flipping it. Keep it held. So it comes off like that. And you have that. Then you go like, you pop all these off. You will hear a loud snap. So it when you take apart your Xbox, if these snap, do not blame me. You're the one to blame. Alright, turn it around or turn upside down. There will be 6 screws right here, right here, right there, right there, there, and there. You unscrew them with this type of head, or say a torque head. Take the screws out. And make sure you void your warranty on your Xbox 360 if it is still brand new and it has not gotten the red ring. I suggest you not use it until it gets the red ring and you get a new Xbox 360. Or wait a few months after you get it and then you can do this. Place the screw somewhere where you won't lose them. Pop off the eject button. Turn it upside down and do not lift up as soon as you do it. When you go like this, just lift up. This should come off with it, but I took my Xbox apart many times so far. And there you go. If you wanna do an ISO mod, to look at a different video, I am not doing that because I already did that to my Xbox 360. I do World at War ISOs. So, thank you for watching. This is Star17.